Saudi Pro League 2023-2024 full match schedule. Match week 1, Al Ahli versus Al Hazm, Al Tayi versus Damat, Al Faiha versus Al Khalid, Al Fateh versus Al Tawun, Al Riyadh versus Al Wehdah, Aba FC versus Al Hilal, Al Raed versus Al Ittihad, Al Ettifaq versus Al Nasr, Al Sabab versus Al Akhoud. Match week 2, Damak versus Al Riyadh, Al Khalid versus Al Ahli, Al Akhoud versus Al Fateh, Al Hazm versus Al Ittifaq, Al Nasr versus Al Tawun, Al Wehdah versus Al Sabah, Aba FC versus Al Raed, Al Hilal versus Al Faiha, Al Ittihad versus Al Tayi. Match week 3, Al Tayi versus Al Wehdah, Al Raed versus Al Hilal, Al Ettifaq versus Al Khalid, Al Ahli versus Al Akhoud, Al Riyadh versus Al Ittihad, Al Faiha versus Al Hazm, Al Sabab versus Damat, Al Tawun versus Aba FC, Al Fateh versus Al Nasr. Match week 4, Aba FC versus Al Faiha, Al Raed versus Al Riyadh, Al Hilal versus Al Ettifaq, Al Wehdah versus Al Ittihad, Al Akhoud versus Al Tawun, Damat versus Al Fateh, Al Khalid versus Al Hazm, Al Ahli versus Al Tayi, Al Nasr versus Al Sabab. Match week 5, Al Faiha versus Al Raed, Al Tayi versus Aba FC, Al Riyadh versus Al Akhoud, Al Ittihad versus Al Hilal, Al Ettifaq versus Damat, Al Fateh versus Al Ahli, Al Sabab versus Al Khalid, Al Hazm versus Al Nasr, Al Tawun versus Al Wehdah. Match week 6, Al Akhoud versus Al Ittihad, Al Raed versus Al Nasr, Al Faiha versus Al Sabah, Al Hilal versus Al Riyadh, Aba FC versus Al Ittifaq, Al Hazm versus Al Tayi, Al Ahli versus Al Tawun, Al Khalid versus Al Fateh, Al Wehdah versus Damat. Match week 7, Al Akhoud versus Al Khalid, Al Tawun versus Al Raed, Al Sabab versus Hazm, Al Ittihad versus Al Fateh, Al Ettifaq versus Al Tayi, Al Riyadh versus Al Faiha, Damat versus Al Hilal, Al Wehdah versus Aba FC, Al Nasr versus Al Ahli. Match week 8, Al Fateh versus Al Wehdah, Al Tayi versus Al Nasr, Al Hazm versus Al Tawun, Al Faiha versus Al Ittihad, Al Raed versus Al Akhoud, Al Hilal versus Al Sabab, Aba FC versus Al Riyadh, Al Ahli versus Al Ettifaq, Al Khalid versus Damat. Match week 9, Damak versus Al Hazm, Al Akhoud versus Al Hilal, Al Riyadh versus Al Sabab, Al Wehdah versus Al Faiha, Al Nasr versus Aba FC, Al Ittihad versus Al Ahli, Al Tawun versus Al Tayi, Al Khalid versus Al Raed, Al Ettifaq versus Al Fateh. Match week 10, Al Riyadh versus Al Ettifaq, Al Nasr versus Damat, Al Tawun versus Al Ittihad, Al Fateh versus Aba FC, Al Ahli versus Al Wehdah, Al Akhoud versus Al Faiha, Al Hazm versus Al Raed, Al Hilal versus Al Khalid, Al Sabab versus Al Tayi. Match week 11, Al Ittihad versus Al Hazm, Al Wehdah versus Al Ettifaq, Al Hilal versus Al Ahli, Al Khalid versus Al Tawun, Al Raed versus Al Fateh, Damak versus Al Akhoud, Aba FC versus Al Sabab, Al Faiha versus Al Nasr, Al Tayi versus Al Riyadh. Match week 12, Al Ettifaq versus Al Raed, Al Ahli versus Al Riyadh, Al Tawun versus Damat, Al Nasr versus Al Khalid, Al Tayi versus Al Faiha, Al Hazm versus Al Wehdah, Al-Fateh versus Al-Hilal, Aba FC versus Al-Akhaud, Al-Sabab versus Al-Ittihad. Match week 13, Al-Faiha versus Al-Ittifaq, Al-Akhaud versus Al-Hazem, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Nasr, Al-Khalid versus Al-Tayy, Al-Ittihad versus Aba FC, Damak FC versus Al-Ahli, Al-Raid versus Al-Sabab, Al-Riyad versus Al-Fateh, Al-Hilal versus Al-Tawun. Match week 14, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Khalid, Al-Tayy versus Al-Raid, Al-Ittifaq versus Al-Ittihad, Damak versus Aba FC, Al-Tawun versus Al-Riyad, Al-Fateh versus Al-Faiha, Al-Hazem versus Al-Hilal, Al-Ahli versus Al-Sabab, Al-Nasr versus Al-Akhaud. Match week 15, Al-Fateh versus Al-Tayy, Al-Akhaud versus Al-Ittifaq, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Khalid, Al-Riyad versus Al-Hazem, Al-Raid versus Al-Wehdah, Al-Faiha versus Damat, Al-Hilal versus Al-Nasr, Al-Sabab versus Al-Tawun, Aba FC versus Al-Ahli. Match week 16, Al-Tayy versus Al-Hilal, Al-Nasr versus Al-Riyad, Al-Hazem versus Al-Fateh, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Akhaud, Al-Ahli versus Al-Raid, Al-Tawun versus Al-Faiha, Damak versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Sabab versus Al-Ittifaq, Al-Khalid versus Aba FC. Match week 17, Al-Ittifaq versus Al-Tawun, Al-Raid versus Damak, Al-Fateh versus Al-Sabab, Aba FC versus Al-Hazem, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Nasr, Al-Akhaud versus Al-Tayy, Al-Riyad versus Al-Khalid, Al-Faiha versus Al-Ahli, Al-Hilal versus Al-Wehdah. Match week 18, Al-Khalid versus Al-Faiha, Al-Akhaud versus Al-Sabab, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Riyad, Al-Hilal versus Aba FC, Al-Nasr versus Al-Ittifaq, Al-Hazem versus Al-Ahli, Al-Tawun versus Al-Fateh, Damak versus Al-Tayy, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Raid. Match week 19, Al-Fateh versus Al-Akhaud, Al-Faiha versus Al-Hilal, Al-Tayy versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Sabab versus Al-Wehdah, Al-Raid versus Aba FC, Al-Ittifaq versus Al-Hazem, Al-Ahli versus Al-Khalid, Al-Tawun versus Al-Nasr, Al-Riyad versus Damat. Match week 20, Damak versus Al-Sabab, Al-Nasr versus Al-Fateh, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Tayy, Al-Akhaud versus Al-Ahli, Al-Hazem versus Al-Faiha, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Riyad, Al-Hilal versus Al-Raid, Aba FC versus Al-Tawun, Al-Khalid versus Al-Ittifaq. Match week 21, Al-Tawun versus Al-Akhaud, Al-Hazem versus Al-Khalid, Al-Riyad versus Al-Raid, Al-Faiha versus Aba FC, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Wehdah, Al-Ittifaq versus Al-Hilal, Al-Fateh versus Damak, Al-Tayy versus Al-Ahli, Al-Sabab versus Al-Nasr. Match week 22, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Tawun, Al-Ahli versus Al-Fateh, Al-Raid versus Al-Faiha, Al-Akhaud versus Al-Riyad, Al-Khalid versus Al-Sabab, Al-Nasr versus Al-Hazem, Damak versus Al-Ittifaq, Al-Hilal versus Al-Ittihad, Aba FC versus Al-Tayy. Match week 23, Al-Fateh versus Al-Khalid, Al-Nasr versus Al-Raid, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Akhaud, Al-Tawun versus Al-Ahli, Damak versus Al-Wehdah, Al-Tayy versus Al-Hazem, Al-Ittifaq versus Aba FC, Al-Riyad versus Al-Hilal, Al-Sabab versus Al-Faiha. Match week 24, Al-Khalid versus Al-Akhaud, Al-Raid versus Al-Tawun, Al-Tayy versus Al-Ittifaq, Al-Ahli versus Al-Nasr, Al-Hilal versus Damak, Al-Fateh versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Hazem versus Al-Sabah, Al-Faiha versus Al-Riyadh, Aba FC versus Al-Wehdah. Match week 25, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Fateh, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Faiha, Al-Tawun versus Al-Hazem, Al-Nasr versus Al-Tai, Al-Okhawd versus Al-Raid, Al-Ettifaq versus Al-Ahli, Damak versus Al-Khalid, Al-Sabab versus Al-Hilal, Al-Riyadh versus Aba FC. Match week 26, Al-Fateh versus Al-Ettifaq, Al-Hazem versus Damak, Al-Faiha versus Al-Wehdah, Al-Ahli versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Raid versus Al-Khalid, Al-Tai versus Al-Tawun, Aba FC versus Al-Nasr, Al-Hilal versus Al-Okhawd, Al-Sabab versus Al-Riyadh. Match week 27, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Tawun, Al-Faiha versus Al-Okhawd, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Ahli, Al-Tai versus Al-Sabab, Al-Raid versus Al-Hazem, Damak versus Al-Nasr, Al-Khalid versus Al-Hilal, Aba FC versus Al-Fateh, Al-Ettifaq versus Al-Riyadh. Match week 28, Al-Fateh versus Al-Raid, Al-Hazem versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Tawun versus Al-Khalid, Al-Nasr versus Al-Faiha, Al-Riyadh versus Al-Tai, Al-Ettifaq versus Al-Wehdah, Al-Okhawd versus Damat, Al-Sabab versus Aba FC, Al-Ahli versus Al-Hilal. Match week 29, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Hazem, Al-Faiha versus Al-Tahi, Al-Okhawd versus Aba FC, Al-Khalid versus Al-Nasr, Damak versus Al-Tawun, Al-Raid versus Al-Ettifaq, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Sabah, Al-Riyadh versus Al-Ahli, Al-Hilal versus Al-Fateh. Match week 30, Al-Ettifaq versus Al-Faiha, Al-Nasr versus Al-Wehdah, Aba FC versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Tawun versus Al-Hilal, Al-Fateh versus Al-Riyadh, Al-Ahli versus Damat, Al-Hazem versus Al-Okhawd, Al-Sabab versus Al-Raid, Al-Tai versus Al-Khalid. Match week 31, Al-Okhawd versus Al-Nasr, Al-Ittihad versus Al-Ettifaq, Al-Riyadh versus Al-Tawun, Al-Khalid versus Al-Wehdah, Aba FC versus Damak, Al-Faiha versus Al-Fateh, Al-Raid versus Al-Tai, Al-Hilal versus Al-Hazem, Al-Sabab versus Al-Ahli. Match week 32, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Raid, Al-Tai versus Al-Fateh, Al-Hazem versus Al-Riyadh, Al-Ettifaq versus Al-Okhawd, Al-Nasr versus Al-Hilal, Al-Khalid versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Tawun versus Al-Sabah, Al-Ahli versus Aba FC, Damak versus Al-Faiha. Match week 33, Al-Ettifaq versus Al-Sabah, Al-Raid versus Al-Ahli, Al-Ittihad versus Damak, Aba FC versus Al-Khalid, Al-Okhawd versus Al-Wehdah, Al-Faiha versus Al-Tawun, Al-Fateh versus Al-Hazem, Al-Riyadh versus Al-Nasr, Al-Hilal versus Al-Tai. Match week 34, Al-Tawun versus Al-Ettifaq, Al-Hazem versus Aba FC, Al-Nasr versus Al-Ittihad, Al-Sabah versus Al-Fateh, Al-Tai versus Al-Okhawd, Al-Khalid versus Al-Riyadh, Damak versus Al-Raid, Al-Wehdah versus Al-Hilal, Al-Ahli versus Al-Faiha,